Is your personal injury settlement taxable? Embarking on the intricate journey of a personal injury lawsuit not only demands meticulous legal navigation but also warrants a deep understanding of the financial implications, particularly concerning taxation. As the pursuit of a settlement unfolds, the question of taxability casts a significant shadow on the anticipated compensation. The intricacies of tax-exempt personal injury settlements. In the realm of personal injury claims, a prevailing assumption is that compensation derived from such cases is generally exempt from taxation. However, this exemption comes with a crucial caveat: the compensation must be intricately linked to a physical injury or illness. For instance, if a claim is lodged against an employer for exposure to a hazardous substance resulting in subsequent health issues, the entire compensation is shielded from taxation. This fundamental understanding forms the cornerstone for claimants seeking clarity on the tax implications of their settlements. Despite common misconceptions, the tax fate of a settlement is not contingent on the trajectory of the case, whether it concludes through a pre-trial settlement or results in a court verdict. The tax rules remain consistent, provided the compensation is associated with a demonstrable physical injury or illness. This underscores the importance of presenting a strong case that establishes the clear connection between the settlement and the incurred physical harm. Navigating exceptions and tackling taxable components. While the general principle dictates the non-taxability of settlements related to injuries, exceptions exist, introducing layers of complexity. Notably, punitive damages awarded in personal injury claims or criminal judgments are perpetually subjected to taxation. Strategic separation of these damages during the verdict becomes paramount to delineate between taxable and non-taxable components. Moreover, if a claim revolves around a breach of contract leading to injury or illness, the resulting damages become susceptible to taxation. The often overlooked facet of interest on judgments adds another layer of taxable intricacy, accruing over the duration a case remains pending. Beyond physical injuries or illnesses, claims rooted in emotional distress present a distinct tax scenario. In instances where the claim lacks a tangible physical element, the entire settlement becomes a subject of taxation. This holds true for cases such as pure employment discrimination, where injuries are absent, bringing the settlement under the tax purview of local, state, and federal authorities. However, a strategic approach involves presenting evidence to prove the existence of any form of injury, thereby safeguarding the settlement from taxation. Strategic measures to minimize tax exposure. To navigate the intricate landscape of personal injury settlement taxation and minimize tax exposure, adopting a strategic approach is imperative. This is particularly vital in cases involving multiple claims, where one pertains to physical injury while the other does not. Collaborating with experienced personal injury attorneys, such as front-range injury attorneys, becomes a pivotal step. Their expertise not only enhances the structuring of your claim but also maximizes your ability to minimize tax liability. Connect with front-range injury attorneys today through the provided contact form, fortifying your position and ensuring your settlement's financial impact remains optimized.